Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
Open a Fidelity Roth IRA by gathering personal ID, social security number, driver license or passport, employment info, and bank routing and account numbers for funding. Decide whether this is a new Roth or a rollover from a traditional IRA or employer plan. Rollovers require Form 1099-R reporting and careful timing to avoid taxes. Note contribution limits. You can contribute up to $000 per year and add a $000 catch-up if age 50 or older, and you must meet income eligibility rules. Navigate to Fidelity.com or the Fidelity app and click Open an Account, then choose Roth IRA. The online application typically takes about 15 minutes to complete, including naming beneficiaries and selecting account ownership. For funding, decide between a one-time bank transfer, automatic recurring contributions, or a rollover from another account. Rollovers need trustee-to-trustee transfer or 60-day rollover rules to avoid a taxable event. Finally, select investments by asset allocation. Fidelity mutual funds, ETF, individual stocks, or a target date fund. After opening, track total contributions across all IRAs to avoid exceeding $000 per year and respect tax year deadlines. Consider setting up automatic contributions to dollar cost average and maintain records for IRS reporting. Use Fidelity's portfolio rebalancing tools and review holdings at least annually to keep your target allocation. Rebalance manually or enable automatic rebalancing and dividend reinvestment. For rollovers and distributions, preserve Form 1099-R, report transactions accurately on tax returns, and monitor 5-year clocks for qualified Roth distributions after age 59.5.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.